Okay, dear students, today our topic is De Morgan's theorems. And as you know that De Morgan theorems are most important. There are two De Morgan theorems. But before De Morgan theorem, there are some necessary definition, important definition that we will know. After knowing those definition, we will come to De Morgan theorem. So before De Morgan theorem, we will know about Boolean algebra. So what is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is developed by English mathematician George Boole in between 1815 to 1864. It is developed by English mathematician whose name is George Boole. When between 1815 to 1864. In some books, it is written that he developed in 1856. So 1856 is also coming between 1815 to 1864. Now, what is Boolean algebra? It is described as an algebra of logic. It is basically the algebra of logic. Algebra of logic means an algebra of two values. And that algebra which depends upon on two values. Those two values are true or false. True or false. And what is the meaning of logic? So the term logic means a statement having binary decision. Logic means that there will be some binary condition, binary decision, like true or false, or yes or no. That is called logic. Or it also means that in binary form, zeros and one. So basically, Boolean algebra is the algebra of logic. Logic means there will be some conditions, some decision, true or false, yes or no, or zeros and one. Applications of Boolean algebra. Where Boolean algebra is used, it is used to perform the logical operations in digital computers. Basically, it is used for logical operation inside computers. Now, what are logical operations? These are the logical operations we will discuss now. In digital computer, true represented by 1, as we know that yes or true is represented by 1. It is also called high volt, and false represented by 0, low volt. It is represented by 0 or no or false or 0 or low volt. So 1 means high volt, 0 means low volt. Logical operations are performed by logical operators. With the help of logical operators, we can perform logical operations. Now, what are logical operations? Basically, the fundamental logical operations are three. Main logical operators are three. Number one is called AND, second one is called OR, and third one is called not. And is also called conjunction. And is also called conjunction. And or is also called disjunction. And not is also called negation or complement. In easy words, and is a product. Product means multiplication. We can denote it by a dot. And or is a plus, addition. And not is a complement. Complement means inverse. So these are the three basic logical operators of Boolean algebra. And or not. Now we will discuss about these three operators. Number one is AND operators. So AND operators, it performs logical multiplication. Basically, it is used for logical multiplication. Logical multiplication means that it will use inside digital computers and the result will be either true or false. Like in ordinary multiplication, like 2 multiplied by 3. So it is not 0, not 1, but it is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Or 2 multiplied by 5, 10. So it is not 0, not 1. But in Boolean algebra, the result will be true or false, zeros and 1. And denoted by a dot sign. It is also called period sign. So we can represent AND operator by dot or period. It is also called period. Now here, there are two operators, X and Y. We want to AND these two operators. So X dot Y we will write, X dot Y. Now these are the values of X and Y. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now we will AND both variable. So 0 dot 0, it will become 0. Yani not and not will be equal to not, or in other words, false dot false will be equal to false. 0 dot 1 will be equal to 0. 1 dot 0 will be equal to 0. 1 dot 1 will be equal to 1. In AND operator, if one of the value is 0, so the result will be 0. I'm repeating again. If one of the value is 0, so the result will be 0. Otherwise, the result will be 1. So it is called AND operator. Second operator is OR operator. It performs logical additions. Logical addition here means that the result will be either true or false. The result will be either 0 or 1 and denoted by plus sign. It is denoted by plus sign. So now there are two operators, X and Y, and we want to OR it. You want to add it. So now these are the possible combination because there are two variables. So there will be 4 possible combination, and the range you know that, the value you know that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Like in AND operator, if in both values one value is 0, so the result will be 0. But in OR operator, when one of the value is 1, so the result will be 1. In OR operator, when one value is 1, so the result will be also 1. In other words, when one value is true, so the result will be also true. Now 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, or in other words, 0 or 0, the result will be 0. 0 or 1, the result will be 1 because this one is 1, so the result will be 1. 1 or 0, so the result will be 1. 1 or 1, so the result will be also 1. When one of the value is 1 or both of the value is 1 in OR operator, so the result will be 1. Remember this one. When one of the value is 1 or both of the value are 1, so the result will be 1. Not operator. Third operator is not operator. It performs logical negation and denoted by bar. Not operator basically is a complement. And complement means that, for example, if one value is 0, so the complement will be 1. If the value is 1, so the complement will be 0. It is the inverse of that value. So it operates on single variable. AND operator and OR operator, it operates on two variables, but remember that not operator operates on single variables, yani on one variable. So now x, its value are either it will be 0 or 1, so it's not or its complement will be 1. We can denote it by a bar sign, means complement of x. Now, so the value is 0, so the result will be 1. The complement will be 1. Or if we apply the not operator, so the result will be 1. If the value is 1, so the result will be 0. The complement will be 0. So these are the basic three operators of Boolean algebra. Number one is called AND, yani multiplication. Second one is called OR, yani plus, and third one is called NOT, means complement. Another term is and definition is truth table. What is meant by truth table? Truth table is a table that contains all possible values of logical variables statement in a Boolean expression. It means that when we denote all the possible combination, all the possible values of variable in a Boolean expression, that is called truth table. Like for example, if there are two operators x and y, so when we want to add these two operators x plus y, so the possible combination will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and after that we will OR it. That is called truth table. For truth table there is a formula. Number of possible combination is 2 power n. If there are two variables, so the possible combination will be 4. So the possible combination will be 4. If variables are 3, so 2 power 3, the possible combination will be 8.